everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is dealing with change.
So changes are just a part of life, as we all well know. You can't fight it. There's all sorts of goofy slogans about it, but it is inevitable one way or the other. And the same thing goes with business. There's always going to be changes in business. Here personally, we're going to have some changes, big changes coming in our business, different roles shifting around, leadership roles and things of that nature. And so it's going to be going to be interesting. It's exciting, it's terrifying, but it's necessity.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we haven't, when we started off, I think some of the first things you sold was tomahawks, and we didn't stay on that road very long.
No. Oh, and when we say tomahawks, it was a lawnmower blade bent around into a circle, on one end, and then the edge just kind of sharpened. That wasn't beat out or anything. So, yeah, that was my equivalency of a tomahawk back in the day. And we started at craft shows, and we did craft show circuits for a little bit, about 2 years we did them. And that's really all we had time for. I had my main vocation we did. And then, but again, life changed. Then we went to art galleries. And then life changed, and then we went all online, and we sold all through eBay, and then life changed, and then we went to all Etsy. Then life changed, and we expanded to Amazon
and custom made, and there's
custom made and some other selling platforms that we've been on now and we've tried out, and some of them we've shut down accounts, good experiences, bad experiences, but that's just all part of business. You have to learn to grow, adapt, and overcome.
Yeah, definitely.
The companies that don't grow, the companies that don't adapt to the new market, they get swallowed up by the new competition. And you've heard me say it before, I'm not really interested in competition. I don't really believe it's a thing when there's like 7.3 billion people on this planet. I just don't believe it's a thing. I don't believe competition's real, when it comes to that. But you can get lazy, and somebody else can go to the market with more drive, more hustle, and more ambition, and just a love for what they do. And when they do that, customers start falling off, and that's something that you've always got to, anticipate in your business and just continue to work for it.
Yep.
So, sorry, that was all me. That's 3 Minutes at 3.
It was.
No, but we thank you all for watching.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.